On a bright summer day, Emma wandered deep into the forest, drawn by a mysterious melody that seemed to whisper her name. As she ventured further, she stumbled upon a hidden glade where an ornate harp stood silent and forgotten. The forest was beautiful and bathed in warm sunlight, but there was a deep sadness in the air, as if the music had been lost long ago. As Emma touched the harp strings, a group of forest creatures emerged from the shadows, talking birds, a wise rabbit, and a shy deer. They gathered around her, their eyes filled with hope and concern. The creatures told Emma of the lost melody that once filled the forest with joy and magic. Without the music, the forest was slowly fading, losing its vibrancy and life. Determined to restore the music, Emma set off on a quest to find the lost notes. Guided by the playful wind, she journeyed through the enchanted forest. The trees swayed gently, and leaves swirled around her, creating a sense of wonder and mystery. With each step, Emma felt closer to unlocking the secrets of the forest's lost melody. Emma's journey led her to a glowing bridge of light, stretching across a misty, surreal landscape. The path ahead was both beautiful and daunting. With determination in her heart, Emma stepped onto the bridge, knowing that each challenge she faced would bring her closer to restoring the magic of the forest. Deep within a mystical cave, Emma encountered the spirit of the forest, a glowing, ethereal figure radiating gentle light. The spirit held the final note that would complete the melody. Emma, in awe of the spirit's ancient power, knew that this was the moment she had been preparing for. With the final note in hand, she was ready to restore the forest's harmony. Back in the magical glade, Emma placed the final note on the harp and began to play. As the enchanting melody filled the air, the entire forest burst into life. Colors brightened, flowers bloomed, and the animals celebrated with joy. Emma's heart swelled with happiness as she realized that the forest's magic had been restored, all because of the music she had brought back to life.